Hearty congratulations to all proud graduates. It's a proud moment for all of us. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lavanya, Head Department of Commerce and Management. Hearty congratulations to proud graduates. It's a proud moment for all of us. I would like to invite guest of honor to give away the convocation certificates. Professor Beena ma'am. Now I'll read out the names of batch 2021 to 24. Here comes BBA. Ruchira D, BBA. Kirtana Srinivas Manthin. Tripti Mehra. Ungarala Saujanya.
On our current status.
T. Shruti. Next, BSc MScs. Vandana Maheshwari Gaud. Mittu Mighty.
This station, in conjunction with other airwave announcements,
Upunantala
will conduct
Jahnavi.
this exact test without prejudice under the jurisprudence of the soul, the mind, the body,
Bairu Ramyashri.
the soul, the mind, the body.
Polakam Uma Maheshwari.
The mind, the body,
Makta Praveena.
the mind, the body, the soul,
Guram Manasa.
mind, the body, the soul, the mind,
Lagoni Navya. Next MSGS batch. Chiluveru Navyashri. Perumala Chetana. Sati Sai Shri Abhignya.
the mind, the body,
Mukirala Supraja. Deshaboyna Pujita.
while the party is still in progress, we will keep you updated
Nimmala Soumya.
on current status.
Vannamidi Geetika. Keshma Harika.
Crimson
Next we have BCom, Sayada Samia Mehreen, Lola Kapuri, Rupa Bhavani, S. Divya, Rizwana, Payal Raj, D. Vaishnavi, Sweetie Kumari, Mehvin Fatima, Domakanda Bhargavi, Narayan Das Harika, Nainavit Sridevi, Atika Sultana, Neelam Swarnalata, M. Dikshita Sri, Bubali Tejashree, Allari Soumya, Gudipadu Soumya Reddy, Kuppanapalli Anusha, Alipu Anjali, Boddu Radhika, Masagoni Varuni, Zainab Afrin, Deepika Sharma, Nalla Lahari, Davikar Vaishnavi, Tana Ankita, Madhu Nutana. Shifa Fatima. Sidratun Noor. Sara Begum. M. Harshini. Vennu Ravali. Taniru Indra. Vasudhi Manisha. Uppala Varshita. Ranika. Patil Anita. Kottapalli Shivani. Ramavat Monica. Ifat Unnisa. Kotte Vaishnavi. Sheikh Tabassum Sultana. Sovia Zihak. Neha Sultana. Anjali Pandey. Tirala Harisha. Mangali Nagasai Pujita. Sana Begum. Samina. Shainaz. V. Kirti. P. Anita. G. Kavya. breakfast for you all. If you don't have lunch, go for the dining hall to have your lunch. Girls, everyone, attention please. Like you have group wise, batch wise, year wise photographs. So please do wait in the hall. Don't leave, girls. And parents too. ఎవరైతే భోజనం చేయలేదో అందరూ కొంచెం తినడానికి ఆ డైనింగ్ హాల్కి వెళ్ళండి, విద్యార్థులు తల్లిదండ్రులు అందరికీ. Now next batch is MPCS, Munagapati Pavani. Mukamla Aishwarya. Totla Grishma. G Sandhya. D Shreya. K Akshaya. A Shravani. C Pujita. G Sakshi. P Punita. Kirti Priya. B Anita. G Tejaswini. K Pooja. G Sweta Lakshmi. M Anjali. E Sri Lakshmi. Saujanya Reddy. Pallavi. Srija. Shravya. Next batch BSc CND ZC. M Rakshita. Bushra Unisa. Hasina Begum. Fatima. Ifra Noshin. Sai Nikita. P. Pravalika. M. Shravani. Saiba Shehzadi. V. Naga Vishaka. S. Vandana. Rushika Chandri. Kunnapuram Sinduja. P. Sai Ashrita. P. Bhanureka. Shriya. S. Ravali. K. Nikita.
आई गिरी नंदी आई गिरी नंदिनी नंदिता मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवरविंद शिरोधिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते
Amatul Makit. C.H. Divyashri.
आई गिरी
M. Kirtana.
आई
K.
गिरी
Indu. R. Triveni. Yashashwini. P. Anusha. Next group BCA. K. Vaishnavi.
आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदिता मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवरविंद शिरोधिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते आई गिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेधिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्दशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते अयि गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेधिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्दशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
हाँ श्रीलता नेक्स्ट ग्रुप BCA K Vaishnavi C Chaitanya B Anita Neha M Rishita G Gayatri G Kirti
अयि गिरिनन्दिनि
Afreen Begum Riza Irfan C Ramya Shri B Bindu Manasa Reddy M Vaishnavi CH Kirti J Katyayani There is small announcement. Next batch 2025, please assemble near the dais. Next batch we have is BSc, BTMBC, Neha Sultana, A Kirtana, Zeba Rahin, Hana Sadat, Nisba Fatima,
Ma'am, this is Rukhaiya.
K Sindhu, Ruqayya Fatima, Mariam Fatima, Zamrud Fatima.
MSDS Sadhana.
Next MSCS,
MSDS.
MSDS Sadhana. Now I'll hand over to Muna ma'am.
Thank you very much. We have a few alumni speeches coming up. I would like to request Bushra from CNTZC to come and speak up.
Respected dignitaries, faculty members, and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to everyone present here. Today is a deeply emotional and memorable day for all of us. Convocation is not just a ceremony, it is a celebration of growth and dedication which has made us into who we are today. Myself, Bushra Unisa, I have completed my BSc Nutrition from this college and am proudly pursuing my MSc in the same college. This college has showed us success, failures, and hard work. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the faculty members. You have been our mentors, guide, and constant sources of inspiration. Today, we are here today because of your unwavering support. Equally important are the friendships we build here. Together, we faced exams, deadlines, successes, and failures. This college, the environment of this college has shaped us into who we are today. On behalf of all the graduating students, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the management, faculty, non-teaching staff, and our parents who have been our pillars of strength throughout this journey. Thank you and congratulations to everyone. Wishing all of us success and fulfillment in the journey ahead. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kirtana Manthan, passed out 2024 batch from BBA and also pursuing MBA. To respected Principal Ma'am, Chief Guest, Honorable Secretary Sir, standing on this stage, giving me emotional balance to where I'm standing in front of you all. I thought I'll be missing to stand on the stage because all the 3 years I was here standing and looking all you, and I thought I'll be missing that. But yeah, I got this chance. I'm feeling very proud. So I'm starting. Our college has been more than just a place of academic learning. Beyond textbooks and examinations, we all were taught how to think critically, communicate confidently, and face challenges with courage. By encouraging us with lots of extracurricular activities like PPT presentations and debates, knowledge fairs, seminars, group discussions, and lot more. I am deeply thankful to all my teachers who believed in me even when I doubted myself. Their guidance, patience, and encouragement pushed me to be always aim higher and never settle for less. I am very proud to say that I am placed at Bank of America through Campus Placement Drive, an opportunity that marked the beginning of my professional journey. This would not been possible without all your guidance and support. To all my juniors, I would like to say, make the most of your time and learn not to build a career, but also a good character. And I would say to perform all the given activities in our colleges that will lead to succeed your life in future. Lastly, thank you so much, my dear classmates and my seniors who lead me in all my bad and good times, and my crazy friends for making this journey more memorable. This 3 years of my BBA degree will always remain a significant chapter of my life. Thank you. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Actually, it's quite difficult for me to speak because I see so many beautiful women over here, so I do not understand whom to see at a time. So everybody is just sparkling like stars over the sky. And I would say each and every one of you are important. You are yourself, you have to be strong. This journey of college is not just about education, it's about finding out who we are. So this is just a pause between who we were when we joined our college to who we are now and what we are about to become in our future. So this just becomes a guidance for all of us to understand ourselves in a better manner. So So all over these years, it's not just only databases and programming languages that I've learned, but also some of the experiences. So I would like to share some of them to all of you. So the first one is never compare yourself to others. Everybody is unique, everybody is special, everybody is God's child. You cannot be her, she cannot be you. Stop comparing. If you want to compare, compare with your previous self and try to know where you're lagging behind and encourage yourself to become the one whom you're aiming to. And the very important thing is never underestimate yourself. You should be the warrior of your own life. We are no more princesses who need protection, right, girls? We are queens who can handle our crown with dignity, and we can handle the pressure. So we rise as pearls in our future and understand what we want, and we get better into our future. It's not just about academic excellence. It is about who you are, what you want to become. May it be academics, may it be your cultural activities, just be who you are. And the main important lesson that I want to let everybody of you know is just be independent. Be financially independent, emotionally independent, and always mentally independent, because this will let you know your worth, that will decide your future, and you will be the master of your own destiny. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all, and a warm welcome once again. Girls, as your names are called, walk with pride, as you have earned this honor. I, Pratyusha, Faculty, Department of Statistics, would request our guest of honor, S.V. Satyanarayana Sir Garu, to award the degrees to the students. I would now like to call upon the graduates of 22-25 for collecting their degrees. Firstly, from BTMBC, we have Bhavya Shri. As a student is in Australia for the higher studies, her father is here to collect the degree on her behalf. Next from MSDS, we have Chintakunta Abhigna. Saluwadi Shreya. From MSCS, we have V. Purandareshwari. Mekala Lavanya. M. Varshita Reddy. Kasaram Pujita. Vaishnavi Abbagoni. M. Jemima. Ramavat Akhila. B. Uma. Ketavat Pravallika. Poshala Tejaswini. M. Shrija. Next from CNDZC we have O. Kalyani. Nadia. Afia. P. Ashwini. Spurti. Tabassum, Tamkanat Unisa, Muskan Begum, Sayeda Mehdiya, Sania Parveen, Shilpa, Sai Chandana, T Nandini, S Chaitanya, N Rajeshwari, K Lohita, A Ashwita, A Vaishnavi, M Ashwini, Sai Kirti, Rachel, Tanmay, Tejashwi Amrutam, K Maunika, Sahiti, I request the students who have not finished their lunch please go and have their lunch, and the parents also, please, who have not had their lunch, please go and have their lunch. Next from CNDBC, Mahavish Mujib, Zara Rasul Khatun, D Manisha, V Navya, A Vijayalakshmi, T Aravinda, K Indu, Maunika Singh, Sabiha, Next from BCom we have V. Shravani. V. Swati. V. Navya. P. Shravani. Ankita. M. Nikita. D. Archana. G. Nikita. P. Amulya. M. Harika. Brinda. Bhavyashri. G. Pujita. P. Manasa. Sudha Rekha. Sana. Anjum. Aishwarya. Simran. R. Ramya. Shehnaz. Sumaya. Shravani. Pallavi. Bhargavi. Diksha Verma. Varshasri. Shreya. Naz. Kirti. Rashmita. Kavya. Sanjana. Sanjana, Pujita, Kanika, Nazora Nishat, Muskan, Nazira, Pravalika, Muskan, Yogita, Archana, Deepika, Akanksha, Nandini, Shweta, Kriti, Shalini, Navya, Kavya. I once again request all the students and the parents to please go and have the lunch. Counter will be closed, so I request all the students and the parents to please have the lunch. Now from MPCS we have Repaka Pooja, Benito Cressida, D. Kala Shanmukhi, Korra Swapna, Sarvi Hasini, Ava Sirisha, next from BBA we have A. Harshita, B. Kirtika, Prajakta Swed, Rupa, Ananya. Next from BA we have Akshita, B. Nehashri, Manushree, Harini, P. Himabindu, S. Himabindu, Sana Sultana, Sayyeda Noor Arifa, Tabassum Unisa, Sushmita Saradhi, Y. Lavanya, Next from BTMBC we have Aisha Siddika, Aisha Samreen, Asima Rahil, Juveria Begum, Alina Khan, Kulgum Rishika, K. Sahiti, K. Vani, M. Padmavati, C. Pranati, J. Sneha, Nikhat Fatima, T. Pravalika, K. Jahnavi, G. Navya, R. Lasya Priya, A. Pujita, Y. Mayukha, sorry. B. Avani, लेख्या, जी आर्ची, वाई जाह्नवी, पी सिंधु, वी स्मिता, आर नागलक्ष्मी, बी अखिला, बी रजिता, वी रूपा, एम गायत्री, वी निकिता, एन ममता, ई पूजिता, वी शिवानी, from CNDZC we have K Pooja Rani, next from BCA we have Mohammad Sania Tabassum, Sayyeda Tathir Fatiba Razvi, Saptaparna De, Veda, Shravani Golem, Shada Vaishnavi, M Jahnavi, Mehak Khan, Sania Parveen, Umul Khair, Kirti, Suchitra Sahu, Moneti Sindhuja, T. Saudamini, Sophia Sultana, Husna Mateen, next from BBA we have P. Tejashwini, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mevish Mujib, from the batch of 2022 to 2025, from the class of CNDBC. I am really overwhelmed. My heart is really full. Couldn't take this much of happiness and joy in one day. Would like to sincerely thank Annie Besant Women's College, the management, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff for making this day memorable and so much enjoyable. I have loved every dance performance, every speech, the guests, the ambience, everything was unexpectedly good. I am just really full. My heart is overflowing with joy. I could not present my gratitude in words, to be very honest. Would like to thank the One Man Institution. Thank you for being the guiding force throughout our degree. Our principal ma'am, thank you for being like a mother to us. We wouldn't have been so much comfortable with the academics and co-curricular events if you were not there. Thank you so much. And all the management and the teachers, without you, we wouldn't have achieved our academic excellence. Thank you. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank my mother, Mrs. Azra Fatima. Thank you for bringing me to this world. I love you so much. Whatever I am today, I am because of you. I cannot repay you back. This graduation is just the start. Till the day I breathe, I'll make you proud. I'll make my family proud. Thank you so much for being with me in my tears, my joy, my happiness, everything. There are no words to express gratitude to this kind of atmosphere, this kind of great, kind ambience, what I'm living in. This is just the start. I will continue as an alumni member again as an MSc student. So many more events to come. So thank you, Annie Besant Women's College. Jai Annie Besant. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Some days change your life, some reminds you how far you have come. Today is both. Today we stand here as transformed, strengthened, and ready for whatever comes next. Respected dignitaries on the dais, inspiring lecturers, esteemed mentors, cherished parents and families, my fellow graduates, and dear juniors. I, Afia Huda, class of 2025, a proud graduate of Annie Besant Women's College, request your kind attention for the next few minutes as I reflect my journey here in few words that I wrote. Words that reflect not only my journey, but the journey of all of us gathered here today. When I first walked into this college, I carried ambition in my hands, but uncertainty in my heart. I was present, but not yet whole. My heart was unsure, my smile practiced, my dreams still learning how to breathe. I never imagined that one day I would be standing here, finding my voice. And today, at this convocation, I realized how quietly, how gently this place changed me. This institution gave us that belief. It did not limit us, it shaped us. It shaped us to question, to stumble and rise, to balance academics with joy, discipline with dignity, and learning the courage to become. Today, as we celebrate the academic journey of ours, let us honor every mentor who guided us, every teacher who believed us, every hand that held us steady, and every challenge that shaped us into who we are today. Through structure and encouragement, from academics to enjoyment, creating a space where women could grow into confidence. And so today, we do not merely receive degrees. We carry courage, we carry conviction, we carry wings. In the words of our beloved Secretary Sir, Dr. Shyam Sundar Reddy, from my orientation, I vividly remember his words. You are entering this institute as young, aspiring girls, and you will leave as empowered women. Today, we stand as the living truth of those words. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kanika Singh, a BCom student of batch 2025. So, like, I just wanted to thank Annie Besant for, like, literally making me come out of my comfort zone. I was a kid who had many ideas, many things to say, but maybe a part of me was scared to put out my ideas up out there. But Annie Besant, it made me come out of my comfort zone, go on the stage, speak, dance. I had also done my first solo performance in Annie Besant, and I have made like many memories here, and it is truly overwhelming that this chapter of my life has come to an end. But I'll always carry this special moments in my life, and I'll make sure that I'll give back to Annie Besant by becoming successful. And also, I thank my parents for always motivating me, for never giving up on my dreams. They never dismissed my thoughts. They always supported for what I wanted to be. And one of the main person also I want to thank is me for not giving up on myself and always going forward even when things were hard. So yeah, thank you. And I'll be back as a chief guest maybe. So yeah, thank you everyone.
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Mrs. Archana, Department of Biotechnology, take the privilege to propose vote of thanks. First and foremost, with folded hands and a graceful heart, I thank the Almighty God for blessing us with this wonderful day and guiding us to celebrate this proud and memorable occasion together. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this special day. I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest, Professor Dr. S.V. Satyanarayana Sir, former Vice Chancellor of Potti Sri Ramalu Telugu University, for his inspiring presence and valuable words. My sincere thanks to our distinguished guest of honor, Professor Dr. S.V. Satyanarayana Sir, former OSD, to the Vice Chancellor, Osmania University, for gracing this occasion and sharing the inspiring words. I also express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected guest of honor, Professor Dr. C. Beena Madam, former Registrar of Osmania University and an Ashoka Fellow, for her gracious presence and motivating message. We are equally thankful to our special guest, Mr. Akila Raghavendra sir, a motivational speaker, author, personality development coach, for his uplifting and thought-provoking address. I extend my sincere gratitude to our respected Secretary Sir, Dr. Shyam Sundar Reddy Sir, and President, Mr. Dayakar Reddy Sir, for their constant guidance and support. My heartfelt thanks to our principals, Mrs. Rajavalli Madam and Mrs. Bhaskar